Second part is water logging. So what is water logging? So an agricultural land which is said to be waterlogged. So water logging कधी म्हणायचं? When the agricultural land is when its productivity is affected due to a rise in the water table, or its fertility of that agricultural land is affected due to high water table, or when the water table in the below the ground surface is increases, so that agricultural land is affected by this water table. That land, the fertility of that land will affected, productivity will decrease if any in the agricultural field, agricultural land, any type of crop is taken like wheat, maize, or any sugar cane or cotton. So, so the productivity of these crops that may be affected due to a rise in water table. If the area is waterlogged, then productivity and fertility of that land is affected. So depth of water table that will make the soil waterlogged, that will be harmful to the growth of the crops, and it will be harmful to the growth of the plant life. So this waterlogging depends upon the height of the capillary fringe. The water will rise due to capillary action. Capillary action मुळे ते पाणी वर येते. It will come to the at the root zone of the crops. The fertility of the crops of that land will decrease. So if the height of capillary fringe is more for fine grained soil, height of capillary fringe is more for fine grained soil and less for coarse grained soil. So this normal height of capillary fringe which is in between 0.5 to 1.6 meter. The crop yield is affected when the capillary meniscus surface rises to the 0.6 meter of the ground surface. ज्यावेळेस the capillary meniscus surface जे आहे ज्यावेळेस ते 0.6 मीटर पर्यंत राइज होते, then crop yield will be affected. It will harmful to the growth of the crops. Yield of the crop may be affected. And land, the agricultural land will therefore be waterlogged when the water table is within 1.5 meter below the ground surface. The ground surface च्या खाली 1.5 मीटर पर्यंत जर वॉटर टेबल असेल, पाण्याची पातळी असेल, त्यावेळेस काय होतं? In that area or agricultural land which is affected with this water, that area is said to be waterlogged. Waterlogging कधी झालं समजायचं? ज्यावेळेस पाण्याची जी डेप्थ आहे, depth below that ground surface is at a depth of 1.5 meter below the ground surface. Is within the 1.5 meter to 2.1 meter, in between that 0.6 plus 0.9, 1.5, 0.6 plus 1.5 is 2.1 meter. So in between that, in between this range, the area is said to be waterlogged. In the water table depth having in between 1.5 meter to 2.5 meter, 2.1 meter depth, then that area is said to be waterlogged. Yeah, waterlogging example काय होईल? What are the effects, causes of the waterlogging? What are the effects? What are the remedial measures are taken? That we are going to see. Remedial measures to avoid waterlogging. The effect of high water table is on the yield of the crops. The yield of the crop may be affected, and the plants which are having longer roots. Some plants are having longer roots. They may reach up to the uh, that may that are more susceptible to high water table. If the roots of the plants are having deeper, then it will then that roots will go deeper and it will reach up to the high water table at the water table. The depth of water table which adversely affects the growth of the crops. Depth of water table कैसा affect होगा on the growth of the crops. The table which is shown, the type of crop and depth of water table is shown. त्यामध्ये first type of crop है when the this type of crop is affected and depth of water table. The first type of crop कुठला है wheat. When it is affected, when the growth of this crop is affected, when the water table is having to a depth of 0.9 to 1.2 meter, 0.9 to 1.2 meter depth ला जर water table असेल, then that wheat crop will be affected with this water logging. त्यामुळे ते या डेप्थला water table rise होईल. And for cotton crop having depth of water table 1.5 to 1.8 meter. For rice 0.6 meter. For sugarcane 0.3 meter. For fodder crop 1.2 meter. And for lichen 2.1 to 2.4 meter. These are the various types of crops because according to that depth of water table is given. For this depth, it is affected. This growth of these crops is affected to this depth of water table. So this is the concept of water logging. समजलं water logging म्हणजे काय? Definition काय water logging चं? An agricultural land which is said to be waterlogged when its productivity or fertility is affected by the rise of water table or high water table. Then that area is said to be waterlogged. त्या प्रोसेसला काय म्हणतात? Water logging. So it has various effects of water logging. Water logging झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? There are various reasons. The various effects are there. When the area is waterlogged, the infertility of the soil will be there. Soil becomes infertile due to waterlogging. The infertility of the soil that may cause due to various reasons. त्यामध्ये first step आहे inhibiting activity of the soil bacteria. Inhibiting activity of the soil bacteria. The liberation of the plant food depends upon the activity of the soil bacteria. The plant food, the growth of the plant depends upon the activity of that soil bacteria. For growth of the crops, it requires adequate amount of oxygen in the air for proper functioning. When the soil pores within the root zones of the crops, that are normally grown are so saturated so as to effectively cut off the normal circulation of the air. The soil pores within the root zones, which are uh, normally grown to saturate the soil, that soil is saturated so as to effectively cut off the normal circulation of the air. In that case, the land is said to be waterlogging. That land is said to be waterlogged. When there is when the in the soil pores within the root zones for growth of the crop that crops, there is no circulation of the air. It cuts off the normal circulation of the air, which is required for the plant growth. So due to growth in the water table, that may harmful to the growth of that plant. So for plant growth, it requires certain adequate amount of oxygen. So air proper for proper functioning or proper growth of that plant, adequate amount of the oxygen that is necessary. So due to increase in water table, so the growth of the plant may reduce. So this is the first reason of effect the plant. The effect of waterlogging it affects the growth of the plant. Plant growth is reduced. This is the first reason. Second effect can decrease in available capillary water. So capillary water is decreased due to waterlogging. The plant life draws its substance from the soil solution on the soil pipe. It is drawn into the plants by capillary action, osmosis process. So the plant growth will depend upon the so it draws the water. The plant life draws its substance from the soil solution from the soil particles. So that is capillary action. It draws water process. And if the water table is high, the roots of the plants are confined. Many times the plant growth is reduced. The plants are confined within that water table. So if the water table is high, the roots of the plants are confined to the top layer above the water table. And if the water table is lower, then the plant have more room for the growth. The water table जर कमी असेल तर plant growth कसं असेल जास्त असेल. Growth of the plant will be more. If the water table rises, then roots are confined. Therefore, there is no chance to rise that crop of that plant. So this is one of the reasons, one of the effect that may affect to the plant growth due to decrease in the available capillary water. That is useful for the growth of the plant. Third one is fall in soil temperature. Soil temperature reduce झालं असेल त्यामुळे काय होईल Waterlogged soil warms up slowly, and due to lower temperature, action of soil bacteria is sluggish, and plant food available is less. In the soil temperature reduce, in when there is a lowering of the temperature, so what that soil warms up slowly, and the action of soil bacteria takes place. That becomes sluggish, and plant food available is less. If temperature is reduced, then that will affect to the plant growth. This is one of the reasons due to change in temperature of the soil particle. If that root zones of the plants are affected with this rise in water table, the temperature may change. Temperature of that soil particle may change to change in water. And fourth one is defective air circulation. When water table rises near to the ground surface at the 1.5 meter to 2.1 meter, in the different depths or different types of crops. When water table is rises, then drainage becomes impossible, and carbon dioxide liberated by the plant roots cannot be dissolved. Hmm? So that carbon dioxide cannot be liberated by plant roots. It cannot be dissolved. The carbon dioxide that is liberated by the plant roots cannot be dissolved and taken away. That is due to the rise in water table. Due to rise in water level, the fresh air containing the oxygen that is not drawn, there will not be air circulation, and activity of the soil bacteria and plant growth suffers. If there is not no proper air circulation is there, so that will affect to the activity of the soil bacteria, or it will affect to the plant growth due to defective air circulation. This is fourth effect, defective air circulation. And fifth effect का है rise of salt. Water table rise झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? Due to rise of water table, which causes accumulation of alkali salt. Water table rise झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? त्याच्यासोबत काय आणते ते? Alkali salt. Alkali salts are accumulated at the root zone of the plants. That may affect to the growth of the plant. So the alkaline deposit changes the pH value of the soil due to rise of salt in the water table at the root zone. The alkaline deposit changes the pH value of the soil. pH value of the soil may change. Soil is from 7 to 8.5. Then that is normal. Could be normal. Although it will be 7 to 8.5. In between 8 to 9, then it will yield less. Yield of the crop decreases. And in the 11. it goes above the 9, 8 to 9 असेल तर crop of the yield will decreases, crop yield decreases, and when pH value rises more than 11 or up to 11, then soil becomes infertile. The fertility of that soil will decrease. It will not yield the crops. Crop yield will decrease. This is the effect of rise of salt in the soil. समजलं, these are the effects of waterlogging. पहिले effect काय पाहिलं आपण? Inhibiting activity of the soil bacteria, decreasing in available capillary water, fall in soil temperature. Fourth one is defective air circulation. And fifth one is rise of salt. And sixth one is delay in cultivation operation. So due to rise in water table, due to waterlogging, the waterlogged areas which are affected with this waterlogging, the cultivation operations such as plowing, mulching are either impossible or difficult. Waterlogging झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? The farmers while farming or cultivation operation that may become difficult. Plowing and mulching process that becomes impossible or difficult to carry out. So these cultivation operations will be impossible or difficult to carry out. So it may be delayed. This plowing and mulching process that may be delayed due to waterlogging. And sowing of the crops and their growth of the crop also delayed. Crop yield is poor and it arrives late in market, causing loss to cultivators. But delay झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? The crop yield will be poor and the crops which are taken to the market after a final product, so that may create losses or that may cause loss to cultivator, that it may earn less income. Therefore there may be losses will occur. Seventh one is growth of wild flora. In waterlogged soil, natural flora such as water hyacinth grows profusely. There will be the growth of this water hyacinth, that is natural flora in waterlogged soil. There will be the reduction in the crop yield. So due to growth of this wild flora, that may reduce the crop yield. Also, a cultivator has to waste his money or its time may be wasted for carrying out this natural flora. So this is due to waterlogging. This is the effect of waterlogging that may reduce the yield of the crops. And eighth one is adverse effect on the community health. How it affect to the community health due to waterlogging? The climate of the waterlogged area becomes damp. म्हणजे जिथे waterlogging झालेलं आहे त्या ठिकाणचं climate कसं असतं? Damp climate will be there. So due to this waterlogging, there may be formation of stagnant pools that may become breeding places for mosquitoes. May waterlogging झाल्यामुळे पाणी जमा झाल्यामुळे काय होईल? If lakes, ponds are formed due to waterlogging, that may create stagnant places, stagnant pools for the mosquitoes. That may create breeding places for the mosquitoes. So that may affect to the human health or the area which is affected with this water logging. So the health of that community will affect. The climate thus becomes extremely detrimental to the health of community. So this waterlogged area which will become harmful to the health of the community. So this is the adverse effect on the community health. So these are the various effects of waterlogging. Similar effects of waterlogging. different kind problem आहे का? These are the 8 effects of waterlogging. त्यानंतर आहे causes of waterlogging. What are the causes? What are the reasons of waterlogging? Waterlogging कशामुळे होतं? And what are the remedial measures to avoid this waterlogging? So up to this version, effect of waterlogging. Okay, in next lecture we'll see this causes of waterlogging and remedial measures of waterlogging. So here we'll stop. In next lecture we'll see this causes of waterlogging and remedial measures. इथपर्यंत काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे का? Any problem in this? Please ask.